Apa lagi?
Ini kita punya. Halo, hari ini kami ada trip pergi mana nih dek? We are going to Sandakan. Short travel from Kota Kinabalu to Sandakan, and then we're going from Sandakan to Samporna by today as well. We are not overnight in Sandakan for today. We will overnight 2 nights at Samporna, and then going back to Sandakan on our 3rd day. Usually I will do the road trip, but this time I just rent a car from Sandakan. So if you guys want to rent a car in Sandakan, you can give me a contact. I will give you the contact number, contact person to rent car in Sandakan. So today, now we are heading to Sepiluk Orangutan, and this is, oh my god, this is my first time coming to Sandakan town and then visiting the Sepiluk Orangutan, because I'm a Sabahan people, but this is also my first time to Sandakan. I only going a lot to the east part, not the west part. And kita pantai timur, pantai barat mana?
Sekarang pada timur.
Aduh, confusing between the east and the west lah. Tengok pada lain.
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Kayak terus ya? Iya.
Welcome to Sepiluk. Tidak dapat masuk, so sad. So nantilah, I don't know dia punya opening time. Seriously, saya tiada research pula. Ada saya research, opening is sampai pukul 4. Tapi rupanya ticketing, tempat untuk proses beli tiket is only until, apa dia bilang tadi, 11. And then only open on 2 PM sampai 3 PM for the ticket punya purchasing. So tidak dapat masuk, tiada tiket, tidak sempat, tutup sudah, matai. So we baliklah, we go to the Rainforest Discovery Center, RDC. So mengubat hati yang sakit tadi, kita pergi Rainforest Discovery Center. Sekejap pas, kita tengok. Kita pergi sini. 700 meter saja dari Sepiluk Orangutan Rehabilitation Center tadi. Tiket di tangan. Ada satu lagi. Naik, mari. Wow. Come on. Apa nih Rehabilitation Discovery Center? Saya.
Atau kenapa lah di sini, Dek?
Let's see what we have here. Cantia, wih banyak lah, siring-siring. Nah, Cantia guys, cute. Dia ada situ. The kids are super excited. Tempat tu, exhibition hall. You guys, I spot something. The skin boxes. And also here, I think there's a two type of plant. Raphidophora, and also the small one here. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, definitely they got something in there. Syngonium. Look at this! Oh my god! Huge skin capsules, you guys. Let me see. No. Wow, amazing. Syngonium. You see this skin capsules growing wild in here. Till the top, you guys. Yeah, same here. Oh my goodness, you guys, ficus. It's a ficus. Yeah, it's a ficus villosa, you guys. My goodness, amazing.
Yeah.
And I think, I don't know what plant is this, but if I'm looking with the leaf form kan macam some sort of piper. Ada berry. Ini skin dapsus kah, Raphidophora kah?
Itu kalau kau nak main.
Look at this. I think yalah skin dapsus ni kan, or maybe Raphidophora something. Sampai atas. Oh yo, ini cantik. It's amazing, you guys. From my this 15-minute observation kan, I can see so many type of skin dapsus yang growing so wild in this rainforest discovery. Yeah, rainforest discovery center. Sangat-sangat banyak skin dapsus family here. I don't see any philodendron yet. Kalau mahal tuh kenapa? Ada yang mau marah?
Yes.
Why?
Mau balik awal, kali kena bayar mahal.
Ini viper. This plant kan very catch my attention now. Look at this skin dapsus, guys. Yeah, again. This one is yang I can catch, which is I still can put my hands now. You see, skin dapsus different lah. This one pun different dengan yang tadi. They left me behind. They left me behind just because my eyes is get distracted of all this plant. You see, okay. I found so many ficus villosa here. So now we go to the suspension bridge. Holding my phone tightly. Basah mukanya. I almost came to the end of my jalan. I mean my trip visiting this rainforest discovery center. So yeah, this is I think last one lah you guys for you. Kamu tengok, look at this skin dapses here, and then down there is Icus villosa. Amazing. Amazing. I think the size of the leaf kan macam saya punya elbow. This one pun cantik. Growing wild in this rainforest. So ini pun sama. Dia macam skin dapses. Tengok dia. Kan? I don't know, tapi cantik lah. Nice. So I think that's it guys for this trip visiting this rainforest discovery center in Sandakan, which is just nearby with the Sepilok Orangutan rehabilitation. So the entrance for Malaysian is very reasonable, only 7 ringgit Malaysia. For the kids is 3. Meanwhile for the international tadi how much tak berapa nampak. Sorry. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye bye.